I saw that. Turn around, go back, and then we have the normal run up. Turn around. What told you not to do the manji? You can tell me.
I think there's a Rolls Royce over.
There's a what?
A Bentley.
What are you looking at? There's a Rolls Royce.
In the car park.
No, that's just a BMW, bro.
No, behind it.
Go any fast.
I'm gonna back up to the jack, alright?
Yeah, that's fine. Aim yourself. Good work. Go on, you're good. You're like you're far away, bro. Enjoy. Do this.
Woohoo!
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Oh.
Is that from Diary of a Wimpy Kid? Do you know that book?
Sorry?
Do you know Diary of a Wimpy Kid?
Do I know what?
Diary of the Wimpy Kid?
Yeah.
I have a book at home with it.
Go on, brother. If you stall the engine, what do you do? If the engine goes,
Ignore my mum for laughing at me.
What? No, bro, if the engine like it goes, what do you do?
Push it. This is the best thing ever, I have no words.
If you really want to do rallycross, man, I will make it happen, I promise. I'm gonna make it happen for you, man. Would you prefer to do drifting or rallycross?
Both.
Yeah, boy!
Yay!
That was epic! Absolutely epic!
Very epic. Yellow flag.
Yeah.
Happened. Yeah, well, there is a Bentley here.
Yeah, there might be, you know. But maybe I missed it. Right, we good?
Yeah.
Good. Go on. Go on.
I'm just giving them a thumbs up, saying that they're done.
Woo! Holy!
I like this babe. That 357 strong wheels.
Yeah, I think that's the mechanic mark. Go! And now! Go! Keep going, keep going, keep going! Go, 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 go! Go!
There's no Porsche here.
Oh yeah, that's an electric one.
It's a Titan.
Is it? What's it called? Yeah, Taycan, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. So let's talk. How was that?
Pretty good, pretty nice.
Really good, really nice. Proud of you, man. Boom. Hope you guys enjoyed this.
Bye.